we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have another synthetic wig review for you guys. So I have Sensational's Butta Lace unit number 32 in the color 1B. And of course, she is available in other colors because I know that you guys are definitely into that. So you guys are into like the chocolates, the caramels, the blondes, the highlights, all of those things, they have that for you. I did purchase this on Amazon with my own money, and this wig unit is fully in stock, you guys. So she's running for about $36 or $37, so it's super affordable, especially to get the whole human hair, you know, look. This is the perfect wig unit. So I do want to talk to you guys about the specs a little bit as I'm doing my hair. The background here, this wig unit does have a 5-inch deep parting space, and to me it's giving more of like 6 inches. It also has HD lace. It comes pre-plucked. It has the baby hairs as well, you guys, and you are also able to put heat up to this hair up to 400. That's pretty much it with the specs, I believe. Let me see. I'm looking at the start card as I'm like talking to you guys. It also says that it blends with most skin tones, and it has a natural density hairline, and you know, all of the things to basically make it look like this is a human hair wig. So I definitely think that it could mimic a human hair wig, you guys. Let me know what you think. Also, I want to let you guys know that I did use 2 products in this video that's more of at the end once I had fixed up the hair. So one of them is a hairspray, and then the other one is a hair oil. So the hairspray I used in like my previous synthetic wig videos, I'll link it down below for you guys so you guys don't have to go searching for anything. And then the other one was this hair oil that I found, and it's basically for yours. It's specifically for your synthetic wig units, and it helps with the frizziness of it. And I sprayed it on the ends of this hair because this is one of the wig units. I purchased these wig units back in 2022, you guys, and this was the one that I actually did not put back in the packaging. So she's just been like catching hell for like a year and a half, literally, like getting thrown around and everything. But I feel like she was a little tangly on one side, which is this one. So what I did was I went in with that spray oil for the ends, and it literally snapped the wig back instantly. Like, I was like, oh, this is really good. So I'll make sure that I link that down below for you guys as well. Really, both of the products are really good. So if you're looking for products specifically for your synthetic wig units, I got you, girl. I got you. But that is pretty much it. I think this wig is really cute. I think it's like everybody go-to style, you know. I guess out of the other 2 or 3 videos that I've done, this one is everybody's go-to style. It's lax, it's voluminous, it's layered, it falls perfectly. You know, you probably wouldn't have to do too much cutting and things of that such. I think it's literally a really good wig unit. Like, it's perfect. So let me know what you guys think. I am going to continue to do my synthetic wig videos for you guys. I have no problem with catering to everybody's style and everybody's budgets. I love synthetic wig units, and I think you guys really do appreciate when I review them. And yeah, I'm here for synthetic wigs, you guys. I love reviewing them. I'll have to make sure that I keep my eye on some on Amazon because, girl, them things be going quick. Okay, the wigs be going quick on Amazon. So I do have a cart full right now, and it's a pretty penny because I have like a $500 synthetic wig cart right now. Like, when are synthetic wigs getting so expensive? Like, I've seen some go up to like $70. I'm like, oh my god. But if you guys are looking for other synthetic wig options, I'll make sure I show you guys what I've already reviewed during this one so that you guys could check those out, and also just browse my YouTube channel if you guys missed the other synthetic wig videos. So that's pretty much it. That's all that I have for you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Like to drive, get down dirty, act like the bad guy. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go, but we're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you crossed my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life,